Hi, I'm Don. Welcome to my channel. I'm an affiliate painter for Red Grass Games. Also, I'm an official painter for Vallejo Colors. Also, if you are into gunpla, do use my discount code at usagundamstore.com. Today we paint this Pinkman for... No, not Pigman. Pinkman for my Fine Skill Modelers magazine article for next year, for January 2022. So I primed it with Mecha Black Primer as usual. I thin it 1:1 with my thinning sauce, let cure for a day, and then we'll paint the base color. First we paint with burnt iron. It's practically like maybe tied with jet exhaust in terms of my like fav paints in the metal color range. I used to use my thinning sauce with the metal color range. I think I have it in my book that I used to thin this around 5-6 parts paint and 1 part thinning sauce. But these days I don't use my thinning sauce for the metal colors anymore. I just add a couple of drops or a few drops of flow improver. So these days I highly advise not to thin this paint. But thin them is fine, but you'll have a really runny paint and it's a bit difficult to control if you have high pressure or a big nozzle. I'm not a paint chemist, my mom is, but it's kind of logical that painting in thin coats and letting that semi-cure with a hairdryer before applying another coat kind of gives you like a better finish in terms of durability, because you're letting really nice thin coat semi-cure or dry before you apply another. So I guess it's logical. For the first coat, for the first pass of paint, I usually paint it like in misty, really thin coat as usual, and then you have to let it dry with a hairdryer. This part of the video is showing you the second coat of the burnt iron. It's weird actually. It has a really nice sheen. It's dark but it's shiny. I really like it. It's like a darker version of steel. Now we paint a bright metal color. It's pale burnt metal. Yes, the name is pale, but it's really bright. It's like around the range in terms of tonal value with chrome and white aluminum and aluminum. So it's like, it's kind of pale but it's very light in terms of color, in terms of tone. So it will give us a very zenithal feel, zenithal look to our model. You may have seen my other videos in terms of zenithal painting. As you can see, I'm painting mostly on the top areas only, giving a really shiny surface on the top, simulating a light source. And then the darker, especially the undersides, are really dark. It remains as burnt iron. This zenithal painting will be more obvious once we paint the armor parts with the actual colors. So that will be part of the next video because I hate editing long videos. So anyways, that's the painting of the metal colors. Now we could seal this off with varnishes. You may use metal varnish, which is really shiny and will enhance like the metallic look of our finish so far. But I'm using gloss varnish from the Mecha range because I want this undercoat to be really strong before we do the chipping medium later. I always thin varnishes 1:1 with my thinning sauce. Lastly, it's important to note, I'm just repeating myself, is to paint in really thin coats, even with the varnishes. You let cure the first coat and then, or let dry with the hair dryer, and then you paint the second coat. So, especially with the metal colors have really good coverage. Some Vallejo paints that have really good coverage, you will be tempted to paint in one heavy coat, especially the black, the pure black, and all those dark colors. But again, I highly advise that you restrain yourself and paint in thin coats. So that's about it. For our next video, I'll upload it soon. It will be the painting of the actual colors of the armor, and we'll be using Vallejo chipping medium to reveal this metal undercoat and give you nice chipping around the armor areas. That's it, we're done. I hope you liked the video. Do like, comment, subscribe, and consider joining the channel so that you'll be part of our Discord community. Saludos! I am Don. Welcome to my channel.